In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to transfer money from Sweatcoin to Cash App and whether or not it is possible to do this. First of all, if you open up the Sweatcoin app, regardless of how much balance you have, you will be able to access the shop at the bottom left corner of the screen, and in there, you will be able to browse through the rewards. You will have access to digital and physical rewards. And you will notice that even though you can buy stuff like Amazon gift cards or all the related gift cards, there is no option to transfer this money straight into Cash App. Not even the option to buy something like a PayPal gift card, which would allow you to transfer your funds somewhere else. So is there any way to bypass this and buy something from the shop that allows us to receive our money from Sweatcoin inside of Cash App? Sadly, as of today, since they don't have any sort of meaningful gift cards available, it is close to impossible to actually take our funds out off Sweatcoin. While you can buy gift cards like Amazon's and sell it to other people online, it isn't really easy to do, and most of the time they are sold out or out of stock. So as of today, it is impossible to transfer money from Sweatcoin to Cash App. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no option to transfer the money straight from Sweatcoin to Cash App. You can only spend it on rewards at this shop. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.